Yes, sir. We wanna wish you a... Sorry.
I meant what?
We can't do Merry Christmas, don't
You have to just wish them Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. I hope you cross over in peace and prosperity and laughter. You shop chicken, you shop fowl, you shop... What's the difference between chicken and fowl?
It's different. Fowl na long they train for house. Chicken is a poultry.
Anyway, you shall cross over. I don't know where you did your crossover. Me, I did it in my house. I stream church. Some people go church where they never go since the beginning of the year.
Yeah.
And where you do your crossover?
Na Sele Express o. I just cross. You know say that pedestrian bridge you don full because of people wey no see fuel buy. Everybody just full pedestrian.
Okay.
Now I just cross one time. Last man won't come pursue me.
Crossover. In goodness, in health, in prosperity. God bless all of you. Ojo Daniel is my name. Call me Steering. With me, my Santa Claus,
Just sentence.
the world's best Yoruba interpreter.
Oguchino Ayodeji Samuel.
And as usual, I'll bring you sports updates.
Le máa lọ fún date kẹ́ tó máa ka sport newspaper.
Yes, Paul Pogba is the heartbeat of Man U.
Pogba sọ fún wa pé òun break heart àwọn ọmọ Man U.
Man U is not his girlfriend. It's his club. How can you break their heart?
You know say they are used to each other. The club and Pogba they are one. So he can't break their heart. They can't complain.
And also, Ndidi and Leicester begin 2018 on a warning notice.
Aunty Didi àti Aunty Esther lágbọ́n pé landlord wọn já quick notice fún wọn.
No, Ndidi.
You know say na every January they renew house rent.
He's a big boy, yo.
Okay, that Ndidi. That's what you know.
And also, Mourinho blasts Scholes for criticizing Pogba.
A gbọ́ pé Mourinho blast Wandeko nítorí pé ó kó bá Pogba.
No, Paul Scholes.
But coach, even if Wandeko family be that now.
Paul Scholes.
Yeah, na Wandeko family now.
We'll bring you details shortly.
Yes, I mock it there.
Yes, moving on. The new year began well for the Red Devils at Goodison Park.
A gbọ́ pé àwọn oṣù jábọ́ sínú kànga ní ọjọ́ New Year ní Amusement Park.
No. They didn't go to amusement park.
Na ibẹ̀ ni mo kàn ti máa ṣe every year.
The new year began for you well.
Ìwọ náà jábọ́ sínú kànga. Irú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wo ni mi like àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn very sensitive.
As they got back to winning ways with victory over toothless Everton.
Àti victory la gbọ́ pé wọ́n fi ẹ̀ṣẹ́ yọ ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ nígbà tó lọ gba one way ní Everton.
That's domestic violence.
It's not domestic violence. Where is the ball pass? No be there you go pass. They don't joke with
winning
one way.
ways.
They don't really joke with one way for that country. I know them.
With Paul Pogba at the heartbeat of their renaissance.
But that Paul la gbọ́ pé ó lọ ń ṣe bí SARS on the beat.
Yes, Leicester grabbed maximum points in a masterclass display.
Nítorí Aunty Esther fẹ́ proof point wá lọ display fún masterclass.
Masterclass display. Didn't you watch the match?
Mo wo na ṣe bí na masterclass na miss for the stage. Though bá wọn ṣe entry.
Hey. Go. Well, as the midfielder Wilfred Ndidi engineered the Foxes.
Aunty Didi la gbọ́ pé lọ drag feeder pẹ̀lú àwọn Foxes.
Jesus.
You know say maybe their own.
Can you eat with animals?
Wouldn't they do one? Can't you see Oyinbo documentary? They do it.
To a 3-0 bashing of Huddersfield Town on New Year Day.
Ọmọ 3 years old la gbọ́ pé mọ́tò back lọ́jọ́ New Year. I don't tell people say don't they cross express. Don't cross it. Pass pedestrian bridge. They don't go hear word.
New Year Day tragedy.
Now they tell you now so many disasters happen.
Yes, I'm still on the foreign scene.
Ẹ jẹ́ sáré lọ jayé foreign.
Mourinho blasts former England international Paul Scholes.
A gbọ́ pé Mourinho blast àti former nítorí pé lọ date Wandeko.
No. Is it good that a woman should go and be toasting a man?
Kò sí nǹkan tí ó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ country. You know, if one
It's
man,
not in this country. It's in
if Mante
England.
will not go and make Mohammed will meet Mante. Just meet somebody, nah.
For criticizing his squad and certain individuals within Old Trafford.
A gbọ́ pé wọ́n fún ní firing squad nígbà tó lọ criticize àwọn arúgbó.
Hey.
Yes, you don't disrespect old people. If you want to be old, be normal.
Saying that it is not Pogba's fault that he's making more money than Scholes did.
Pogba sọ fún wa pé it's not my fault. Mo lówó ju e-money lọ.
That's true.
That's true. Yeah, he earn per week.
Yeah. Anyway, that's the news. Thanks for staying tuned.
Tó bá wùn yín kẹ́ má gbọ́.
Yes, sir. We wish you
which one be a Merry Christmas with the witch? And New Year night with the people don't cross.
And you know, see, for the end of the song, they say, and a happy New Year.
Hey, just sing that last part.
How will you just sing? And how will you know what I'm singing?
You will know if you have sense. You will know that we wish you that was the first one.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome. Felele, right here, and of course, I'm the world's baddest comedy duo still ringing. You know me, myself, and I, alongside Black Gold.
Thank you. The world's best Yoruba interpreter, Iskebe Iskaba.
I don't know how you take crossover, but I know that we all cross over in peace, in good health, and in alafia. Me, I crossed over. Where I cross over? Okay, for my house. At the stream service live.
My own, I cross over for Sele Express. Because man, no lie you. I don't know.
Lying to the
man,
people.
I don't know what happened. The old pedestrian bridge. Oh, and I'm crossing over to the church. I
did not say cross express. I mean cross over to the new year.
Hey, I dey go church. I cross to go enter the church. Now say the pedestrian bridge full. When I go to say the old update, now say I just cross. As I cross, now last man follow me.
In 2018, lying on air must stop.
Lying on air.
Yeah, that's what you are doing.
So this is why they talk be like lie to you. Let's say I enter those car motor, you go know say you no be lie. Because they catch me, say you are crossing. I say which date we dey? He say this is 31st to on the 1st. I say I'm crossing over. He say this is not church, this is express. I say anywhere can be church. So now they catch me and enter their van.
Anyway, I hope say Kai no catch you, last man no catch you, police no hold you, SARS no beat you, give you legendary beats, and you cross over in good health and vitality. Anyway, he get one man where the crossover not too sweet for him. That's why we are here. I want to tell you about this man, because if you look left, you still guys look right.
Yeah, that's true. Because to cross, you gotta look left, look right, look up, look down. Plane can fall. Yes.
You want to cross? How can plane fall?
I want plane to the jabo. Those people wait the plane key. They don't look up. Now if you are crossing in this country,
wait. If you want to cross the express and plane one fall, where you want run go?
My brother, just
Toby.
No, just lie down. Don't say it is finished. When you are crossing, look left, look right, look up, look down. Got that down and bomb.
This is where I'm going to. While everybody was doing the crossover, he get one man who no really enjoy the crossover.
What was going?
He's a former England footballer. His name is Trevor Sinclair.
You know Trevor Sinclair. Trevor Sinclair. I hear ríran, I hear clear gone here. Trevor Sinclair.
Trevor Sinclair.
Him be dey use human eye glass because doctor recommend that say he doesn't see far. Could they worry? He doesn't drive at night. But after the incident, because he can see clearly now. That is therefore Sinclair.
Anyway, as they talk, they go. Something happened to him.
What happened to Sinclair?
You see, in this Christmas festivity period, New Year, everybody always feel like getting high. Say, thank God, though, the year is coming to an end. I don't know, in the spirit of the frenzy, the razzmatazz. You know what I'm talking about? Razzmatazz. Anyway, in that spirit of jolly, Oga Trevor Sinclair, he high. And you know,
wait. He was the most high.
No. I mean, Moti, Shayo.
You say because
you understand what I'm saying? She be one man high.
The way you are saying is high. Like say he has high blood pressure or hypertension.
No. He does not have anything high. But he's a big boy.
Okay.
He does not. He's still on the highland. That's over there. In England. Anyway, Oga on the drive there was England the high. You know, see, Oyinbo get speed limit. Once you pass the speed limit, police go tell you to park.
Definitely, that's true.
They won't tell you to park. They will tell you to pull over.
Pull over is the same
Nigerian police, they tell you to park.
Same thing you go job. You say that the grammar will take to read that.
No, it's not the same.
If I tell you pull over, if I tell you park, if I tell you park where, stay where.
The only person that has park and pull over together is Casey. Park, baby, you pull over. What's park? What's pull over?
Now, you know, the thing where you smoke before you enter the studio. But just go on.
Anyway, they tell Oga Sinclair make he park.
Okay.
Or no, make he pull over. When he pull over, they come tell us, Oga, you passed the speed limit twice. You are under arrest.
Magic baby, it works. I said, anyway,
they can't test his breath. They tested his breath and they found out that it was reeking of alcohol. It's wrong to drink and drive. You put your life at risk and your life of the other motorists. That's the number one offense. Number two offense, you pass the speed limits. Then number three offense, he was racially abusing the police officer. He said, oh, because I'm black now you want to arrest me. If I'm a white now, you will not arrest me. That's racial abuse. Please help me enlighten them. Tell them what is racial abuse.
You see, racial abuse is in different categories.
Okay.
You see, racial, it comes from the original Greek word of Rashida. So
Hey.
yes, they generated the word racial from Rashida.
Okay.
You see, so people.
What of abuse?
That abuse, it depends when you are in university. They tell you, I'm so faculty of this one.
Okay.
I study the course. Yours your course.
Okay.
Say my course is this thing.
Okay.
So ekpe ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Course.
And it now
Abuse.
depends. Ekpe ni. And it now depends. That gbalaga bá ṣe pé fún ẹ. If elderly people swear for you, if they abuse you, o lè má ṣoríire. But if your mate swear for you, if your mate abuse you, it's normal. Go, something is wrong with your head. You say that.
Wait. Now combine racial abuse.
So Rashida ṣépè ni mo sọ. Rashida abuse that one. You know, some ladies, their mouth is running too much.
Anyway, that was the third offense. Racial
abuse.
The final offense. When they arrested Trevor Sinclair and put him in the car of the police car, he was pissing inside the police car.
Hey, let's give peace a chance. Let's give peace a chance.
No,
see,
that's not what I mean. I mean, he urinated inside the police vehicle. That's an offense.
No, that's not an offense. You know, see, that's the problem we are talking about.
If you want to piss, you go to the toilet and pee.
My brother, peace is, see, this thing is just a natural. It's just, how would I call it? It's a reflex action.
Can you piss inside the studio?
It's a gbọ̀n mi dáadáa ni. Tí màá lé àbí àsáfàdà àbí màá lé wọn dànù. Tí màá sáré tọ̀ sínú camera. The camera, we do enhance the camera to work better. And again, you see, people that high, I want them. If you are high, have limit of high. That's how the same thing that are applicable to people that are high, that are drinking, are applicable to people that are high.
The court has given a final verdict.
That what will happen to him.
20 months, Trevor Sinclair will not drive any vehicle.
That's rubbish. That's rubbish. Kí ló ti mú? He's still talking. Oh, he's sorrow. Go vomit sínú mọ́tò wọn. He only pees, ordinary pees. And even the ọlọ́pàá too can pees. Because he only pees. You say you should not drive for 20.
What are you saying?
What am I not saying? I'm saying this is the truth. I don't like it.
In addition to 20 months ban, they say it's going to work community service for 150 days.
Oh my God,
150 hours, yes.
That will be sweeping.
Around.
Cutting grass.
Yes.
That's rubbish. You are quite. This is what I'm talking. I say there's nothing like human rights in this country. In this world.
Wait. I don't understand. Where do you belong in this matter?
I belong to everybody and I belong to nobody. I don't like the case whereby people.
Are you Buhari?
Don't worry. I'm not Buhari. I'm just Buhari.
It's okay. Anyway, the moral lesson of the story is that, you see, don't drink, don't drive. In the festivity period, it's not the time for you to smoke, high, drink, and then kill yourself for nothing.
My brother. The guy, you don't know, say, if he might not have the opportunity to be doing this thing every time. So only once in a year.
Are you telling the fans to go and be drinking and be driving?
Go see it. You see, this life is hard.
Alright, this is how we call it a rap on Felele. Don't mind him, please. Children, don't listen to him. Don't listen to him because don't Baba. Sorry, Baba Titi is still alive. Okay. And that's not okay, my father. I'm okay. Anyway, we'll come back again on another episode. Felele, right here. And of course, Happy New Year greetings.
Happy New Year. Welcome to 2018. Please, if you want to drink and drive, mind you know the kind of alcohol you drink. Palm wine is okay.
You don't do. Move it. It has do.
No problem.